you don't want to say glasses, you can say them. Them is the pronoun of glasses. Hello guys, how are you today? Hello guys. Today we're going to learn about pronouns. Yes. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Imani is my friend. If you don't want to say Imani anymore, you can say she. She is my friend. She is the pronoun of Imani. Oh, we have a pronoun, Imani. Oh, hello. Do that. Oh, you're busy right now? Oh, goodbye. This is a telephone. If you don't want to say telephone anymore, you can say it. This is it. It is the pronoun of telephone. I am from South Africa. If you don't want to say South Africa, you can say I am from there. There is a pronoun of South Africa. Oh, I have a call again. Yeah. Oh, hello. Do that. Oh, okay. Goodbye. Okay. Bye, guys. See you next time. Bye, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it's Lethu TV. Let's spell my name together. Lethu. Lethu. And goodbye. And thank you for the support. And thanks for learning with me. You're my best friends. Goodbye. Come here, Money.